Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning 2025 Acura MDX Type S-1, a premium SUV that combines luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Let's break it all down. Starting with the exterior, the Acura MDX Type S-1 makes an immediate impression. The bold front grille, adorned with the signature Acura emblem, is flanked by sharp jewel-eye LED headlights, giving it an aggressive and modern look. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly to the rear, where sleek LED taillights and quad exhaust tips add to its sporty appeal. Riding on 21-inch alloy wheels and featuring gloss black accents, the MDX Type S-1 is a head-turner from every angle. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The cabin of the MDX Type S-1 is nothing short of extraordinary. Premium materials like perforated leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and brushed aluminum trim dominate the space. The dashboard is a tech haven, with a fully digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment display that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The ambient lighting system offers customizable colors to match your mood, while the L Studio 3D sound system delivers studio-quality audio. The spacious second-row seats and optional captain's chairs make this SUV a perfect choice for families, and the panoramic sunroof ensures an airy and luxurious atmosphere. When it comes to performance, the MDX Type S-1 delivers power and precision. Under the hood is a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, putting out an impressive 355 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque. Paired with Acura's SHAWD system and a 10-speed automatic transmission, the MDX Type S-1 offers dynamic handling and a smooth ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on tight corners, this SUV is built to perform. The adjustable drive modes, including Sport and Comfort, let you tailor the ride to your preference. Finally, let's talk pricing. The Acura MDX Type S-1 starts at around $67,000, with fully loaded models nearing $73,000. While it's on the higher end of the spectrum, the combination of luxury, performance, and advanced features justifies the cost for those seeking a premium SUV experience. Thanks for watching this detailed review of the 2025 Acura MDX Type S-1. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.